Welcome to the FEMA DTS video series, Managing a Leave Request. In this video, we'll explain how supervisors of record and those with similar privileges use the responder portal and the deployer to approve or reject leave requests by FTEs and reservists. Now, let's first take a look at managing a leave request from the responder portal. The Approval Requests and Workflows tile at the top of your responder portal dashboard is highlighted in red if you have requests that require attention. This tile indicates QMP workflow requests and 4 request types for deployments, including availability changes, which we'll review in this video. When you click the tile, you'll see the drop-down for pending approval requests, with separate listings for each type of workflow or request that may require your attention. You won't see a listing for a request type if there are no current requests. Click the magnifying glass next to the availability change listing to launch the interface where you can approve or reject individual requests. You'll see headings for the description of each request, when the request was created, and when a decision on the request is due. Each individual request shows the employee making this request, the date or dates in question, and the type of change requested. To approve or reject a request, designate the request by clicking into its selection box, and then simply clicking the appropriate button, Approve or Reject, to launch the pop-up box, where you'll confirm your selection by again clicking the appropriate button. You'll see that by default, Send Notice to Subscribers, meaning an email will be sent to the employee making the request, and Include Reason Text in Notice are pre-selected. These you can change. Adding a comment is optional when approving an availability change, and required when rejecting one. You may also manage leave requests through the deployer website if your position at FEMA gives you access. From your dashboard on the deployer, click the Resources drop-down, and then Personnel, to see a list of all FEMA personnel. From this page, you can use the search box to see a record for a specific person. Then click the magnifying glass icon next to the employee's name to open a detailed summary of the person's information. You'll see a comprehensive listing of this person's information, including his or her current deployment. When you scroll down, you'll see tabs providing specific details for qualifications, emergency contacts, and what we are discussing in this video, this responder's availability. Click the Availability tab and you'll see the person's availability for the next 30 days, the year counts in days, and any leave requests he or she has submitted. You can filter this request data by checking or unchecking the boxes for Include Past Dates and Only Show Open Requests. You can also manually add a leave request for this employee by clicking the Add button, and then completing the information required in the pop-up box. Approve or reject a request from the Unavailability Change Request section of information in the same fashion as we just discussed when using the responder portal, by clicking the appropriate link to launch the pop-up box, where you'll confirm your selection by again clicking the appropriate button. Again, a comment is optional when approving a request, but mandatory when rejecting one. Thank you for watching. This video is just one in a series of training and support videos available for DTS. For additional assistance, please click the Other Information tile on the Responder Portal homepage, visit the official DTS YouTube channel, or email us at support@femaresponder.net.